So whenever I was little, my mom bought me this huge whiteboard. I just loved writing on the board. My mom got me some Expo markers, and I used to write assignments for my little brother and for my stuffed animals. Looking back on memories like that, I realized that I think I've always idolized teachers, and I think that's what made me want to become one.
Teachers are so important to society because they are the backbone of this country. They are role models, diligent, good planners, organized, caring, and those are all traits that we want the children of this country to emulate. We prepare the teachers here at Trevecca to emulate those qualities.
Our professors are amazing. Their student-to-teacher ratio is really small, and that honestly benefits us. And our professors show us how we're supposed to treat our students.
Trevecca really believes in a hands-on experience, so we give our candidates as many opportunities as we can to actually work with a classroom teacher because we feel that best prepares them.
Just starting my freshman year, I was already in the classroom working with actual students and working under actual real-life teachers. I think that being able to start off early and seeing what the program is going to be about as a freshman, it lets you know straight off the bat, do I want to work with kids? Do I want to be in a classroom?
They have experience working with inner city children, suburban children, rural children.
I think that it's important for us to see different schools like that just because we don't know where our heart's at.
The Tennessee Department of Education recently recognized Trevecca as one of the fastest growing and improving education programs within the state, and we're really proud of that.
Trevecca has a strong education program, and I am very proud to be a part of it.